Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. My presentation is on the existence or development of negative attitudes towards mathematics among the learners in high school. My name is Mirsepahi, a Master of Teaching student, CQ University, Brisbane, Australia. On your own, please take 30 seconds and jog your mind with this short mathematics quick quiz. 30 seconds start. Thank you. Now, considering its wide array of applications in our daily lives, mathematics is indeed the most useful subject that is almost impossible to live without. However, there are many students in high schools who find the subject to be quite uninteresting and difficult. As a result of such attitude, the performance in mathematics among most students is usually poor, unfortunately. Well, there is an important question here. How do we know that our learners have developed negative attitudes toward math? How can we know? The learners who have become less interested in studying mathematics are likely to show one or more of the following tendencies. The first and foremost, and the most famous one, is poor performance in mathematical assessment exams. The other sign can be failure among the learners to concentrate while being taught. Yes, lack of concentration can be one of the signs. Failure among the students to complete their mathematical homework and assignments. And the last one is inability to understand mathematical concepts. Some of the factors that promote negative attitude towards mathematics among the learners include when learners are overwhelmed with complex mathematical problems. My home country matter. The notion that math is for the intelligent students. Low confidence in one's learning capabilities. And the teaching methods adopted by the teachers. Pedagogy. Another important question is, how does negative attitude towards mathematics affect the learners? It interferes with the learner's overall achievements. For example, they develop low confidence, become anxious, and get demotivated towards learning, especially in secondary school. For year 7 students, it can be so harmful for the rest of the high school. Well, we went through many things about negative attitudes towards mathematics in students. But now, the most important question is, as math teachers, are we able to overcome this grave concern? Are there some ways to help us defeating of this issue or not? Yes, there are some ways. The first and the most important one is to make the students to understand that their ability in mathematics is not fixed and they have the potential of being good in it. Yes. Many people believe if you are not good in math, you are going to be always weak in math. And I myself is an example that deny this belief. My math was so bad up to year 4 in a school, but after that, I have been always top student in usually all of my classes, all of my math classes when I was studying. Teachers should overcome all sorts of stereotypes associated with mathematics. That's correct. Some strange beliefs can be seen in math. Very strange beliefs. We have to overcome that first. We have to cluster students into groups so that they can solve all the mathematical problems together. The last studies show that students learn from each other more than their teacher. It helps, I promise. And the last one is create a friendly learning environment that allows students to ask questions. They have to ask their questions. They have to challenge us. They have to feel a safe environment to express their questions. Well, what is the conclusion of my presentation? The first and foremost is different causes, different strategies. Teachers should adopt the various approaches to prevent their learners from developing negative attitude towards mathematics. Different approaches, different methods embedded in the pedagogy for different causes. When students are motivated to study math, they are likely to attain higher academic achievements. We should know that. When they are eager and motivated, most probably they are going to get good marks. And the answer of the quick question, do you remember that? It is 22. Thank you. Thanks for attending to my presentation. Any questions?